Alright, welcome everybody. In today's video, we are going to make this glass morphism design in Canva. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to bring in the image and make sure that you scale it to fill the page. Okay, I'm holding out my Alt key while dragging and make sure it aligns well. If you're not sure, you can come to position and just nudge any of this key. Let's say this image is somewhere here. Come to position and put it at the center. Okay, let it be at the center because it's a key thing to do while trying to make this glass morphism. Okay, so the next we're going to do is to make a duplicate of this image and come to position again and hit center. Okay, this is key. Okay, what we can do now is to go to element and search for frame. Okay, search for frame, then under frame just click see all, and we're going to use this one. Okay, this one with rounded edges, and what we can do is just to scale in like this and place it in the middle. Okay, just resize to the size that you want. And so what we can do now, we're going to take one of this image and drag so that it fills this design. Okay, next we're going to double click on this image in order for us to scale it so big so that it aligns with the one on the outside. Okay, so what we can do is to just to scale here. We just need to be careful and scale until it matches with the one behind. Okay, that is the trick. Okay, so all you just need to do is to click done, and now you are good. So on this particular one, we're going to come to edit and come to blur. Okay, here now we're going to click on hole and just make it as blurry as you can and just hit back, and now we have the glass morphism working already. So what we can do, we're going to add a little bit of stroke. So we're going to come here and add stroke, change the color of the stroke to white or any color of your choice, and here we go. That's it. So now you can select everything on your design. Now we can scale the whole design now to fill our page. Okay, so now we can now position it. Make sure when positioning you are selecting everything. Okay, and that is it. So you can now bring in your text and you are good to go. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.